Hello everyone, welcome to Shubha Tutorials. This class includes the questions belonging to Paper 2 Science of CTET and TET. This is the second part of this series. Now let's begin the questions. The first question is, which method of heat transmission does not require any medium? The options are: first one, radiation; second one, convection; third one, conduction; and fourth one, diffusion. And the answer for this question is radiation. Here, convection is the method of heat transfer where heat is transferred through a movement of fluids. And in conduction, the process by which heat or electricity is transferred through a substance. Also, in diffusion, the movement of heat energy through a material medium due to temperature gradient given by the kinetic energy of the particles. So, all these three, convection, conduction and diffusion, are in direct contact. But the radiation is the emission or transmission of energy in the form of waves or particles through the space. So, the answer for this is radiation. Now, let's move on to the next question. Heat required to increase 1 degree Celsius temperature of 1 kg. So, the options are 1 calorie, second one 10 calorie, third option 100 calorie, and fourth option is 1000 calorie. The answer for this is 1000 calorie. 1000 calorie required to increase 1 degree Celsius temperature of 1 kg. Now the third question. Image formed by a convex spherical lens is. The options are imaginary and erect, second option real and erect, third option imaginary and inverted, and the fourth option real and inverted. The answer for this is imaginary and erect. Imaginary image is formed by a convex spherical lens is imaginary and erect. Fourth question. A patient of hypermetropia is given spectacles of. The first option, lens of zero capacity; second option, compound lens; third option, convex lens; and the fourth option, concave lens. Yes, the answer for of hypermetropia can be corrected by using the convex lens. So the option is convex lens. Now, the fifth question. The number of magnetic lines of force passing through a given area is known as. The options are magnetic induction, second option magnetic intensity, third option magnetic flux, and the fourth option magnetic momentum. Yes, the answer here is magnetic flux. You can see the magnetic lines of force in this picture. So, magnetic flux is defined as the number of magnetic lines of force passing through a given area. Yes, now let's move on to the next question. 1 kilowatt is the unit of. The options are energy, second option power, third option electric charge, and the fourth option electric current. So, here the answer is energy. 1 kilowatt hour is commercial unit of energy. Yes, the answer is energy. Seventh question. Detergent is a complex salt of. The options are sodium, second option calcium, third option carbon, fourth option magnesium. Yes, here the answer is sodium. Detergent is made by using the sodium salt. Now let's move on to the next question. Device used to send text and picture is. The options are teleprinter, second option telex, third one fax, and fourth option none of these. Answer for this is fax. Fax is an electronic telecommunication system that transmits scanned documents from one terminal device to another. Now let's move on to the ninth question. Which of the following mixture of gases are used for welding of metals? Here the given options are oxygen plus hydrogen, second option oxygen plus carbon dioxide, third option oxygen plus methane, and the fourth one is oxygen plus acetylene. The answer for this is oxygen and acetylene is used for welding of metals. Now, the last question of this session, 10th one, the rate of doing work is known as. Yes, here the options are force, motion, power, energy. The answer for this is power. Power is the ability to do work. That's all for this session, and please do subscribe for more questions. Thank you.